Well, hello everybody and welcome to Jeff's Baking Blog. Today I'm going to make some Tangerine Posset, which is cream, tangerine juice and sugar and a little bit of zest as well. And the reason for doing this today is that it's going to be another very hot day here, so rather than putting the oven on and baking, I'm just going to cook this on the stovetop for a few minutes, and then that's all there is to it. And it will end up, once it's cooled and chilled, as a very nice refreshing dessert. So it's a very simple recipe. I've told you the four ingredients basically, but I'll go through them again. So I have here 600 millilitres, which is 2.5 cups of double cream or heavy cream you could use, 150 grams, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar, 100 millilitres of tangerine juice, and that is 1/3 of a cup plus 4 teaspoons, and the zest from a couple of tangerines. That's all there is to it. So what we have to do is put the sugar and the cream and the zest into a saucepan, like that. That goes on to the heat, and we bring that up to a boil. And once it's boiling, stirring all the time of course, we're going to reduce the heat to a simmer and simmer it for 3 minutes. So I've got that on the heat, and I'm just going to stir it until it comes to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce the heat. So this has now started to boil, so I'm going to turn the heat down so that it just simmers for 3 minutes, again stirring so that the cream doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So my cream, sugar and zest simmered for 3 minutes, and I'm now going to pour in my tangerine juice and stir that around, and it will thicken a little bit straight away as the acidity works on the cream. And then I'm simply going to pour that through a strainer to remove the zest. Now you can leave the zest in if you want to, but I'm going to strain it out. That's very good like that. So then I just need to put that into whatever containers I want for serving it. So I'm going to use some little glasses basically. Like that. And I'm going to then just leave those for a few minutes to cool a little, and then I'm going to cover each of them in plastic wrap, and I'm going to put them in the fridge to chill. So that's as they cool completely and they chill, they will firm up and they will set nicely. And once they've set, I'll come back, show you the result, and we'll have a taste of them. I've chilled the Tangerine Posset for well, actually for about 1.5 hours. I will actually chill them for longer before I serve them, but that spare little bit that I had in the ramekin dish, I thought I would taste that for you. So this is what they look like at the moment, and as you can see, It has thickened up quite nicely, but it will actually firm up more as it chills for longer. So I'll have a taste of this. It has a wonderful flavour of the tangerine, and it's silky smooth, as it would be. This is a perfect summer dessert basically, and I usually serve it with little shortbread biscuits or wafers, something like that. Very, very, very good. So this is a very simple dessert, which is easy to make and very good for a summer dessert on a warm day. So that's going to be it for this video, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, please give me the thumbs up below and click to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On the top right hand corner of the screen there will be an eye that you can click on, and that will take you to a link for this recipe, and I'll put a link below the video as well. And I'll be back with another recipe in the very near future. So until then, happy baking.